Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up newsletters with the ChamaWP plugin. It's a feature that I'm pretty excited about. It allows you to be able to set up newsletters that you can send by email, and you can also set up a newsletter sign up form that you can add to any place on your website. Alright, let me just show you how you can do that. So first and foremost, if you wanted to send a newsletter that goes out, you basically just need to go to the ChamaWP menu and then just click on newsletters. Or you could just click on add newsletter. Either works. So let's just add a newsletter. And basically you would just add in the title. So this would be used for the subject of your email that would go out. So this is a cool announcement. Okay. And then in this field here, the rich text editor, you would add in the text and any images that you wish to add that will go out in your email for your newsletter. So let's say we just wanted to add in an image. Let's go ahead and add in this one. Alright, then let's copy over some text that I've already set up here. So let me just copy this and then just enter that. Okay, and it's just that simple. And then the one key thing that you want to do is that with ChamaWP, you can choose to have the email sent out to specific tiers of your members. So you can choose that from this section here, the tier level section here. So let's say I wanted to send it to this tier, let's say the Captain Haddock tier. So what would happen is this newsletter would only be sent to members who are signed up for the Captain Haddock tier. And then you can choose to publish right away. If you publish right away, the email will be sent out right away for the newsletter. But if I wanted it to be scheduled for a specific time and date, make sure to click on this, the edit link next to the publish immediately. Just click on this and then choose the date that you want it to go out. Let's say I want it to go out on December. Let's say I want to go out 25th. Let's say I want it to go out at 9 o'clock. And then click OK and then schedule. That's it. So the email has been, the newsletter basically has been scheduled, and it will go out to everyone who is signed up for this tier. If you wanted it to go to everyone, you would just select this everyone option. So it's just that simple. And one thing to note is there is also an online version that you can make available to your users. So you can just, if I was just to click on this and then just open it up, it's you can access the newsletter online. And if it was behind one of the membership tiers, this would be set up, this would be locked under like a paywall, and it will be available only to members who are signed up for this whatever tier it is locked behind. Okay, so the other thing I want to show you is, okay, so you've set up like the newsletter that you want to go out. Now you do also want to set up a form, a newsletter sign up form that will allow users to sign up for your newsletter. Let me just show you how you could set that up. So to do that, you would just need to add a shortcode to a page. And to get the shortcode, just go over to ChamaWP and then you should be under settings and then newsletter, and you will find the shortcode listed here in this description. I'm just going to copy it, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a page that is dedicated to the newsletter. You also have the option of setting it up in a sidebar, in a widget area. So let me just go ahead and do that here. Let me create a page, like an add page. It's going to take a minute here. Okay. All right, and then I'm just going to enter in the title of the page, newsletter sign up. And then with the block editor, I'm just going to add in a shortcode. So let's just click on this plus icon here and then search for shortcode. There it is. And then I'm just going to paste in the shortcode that I copied and just click publish. All right, and if I try and view the page, let's just copy this and open a new window. There you go. So this is now our newsletter sign up. Now the good thing with ChamaWP is it allows you to customize the look and feel of the form if you want. To do that, you just basically go to the settings page that we had up a moment ago. So just go to newsletters. So go to settings and then click on newsletter. And then you can choose to play around with any of the settings over here. For example, if I wanted to change the background color to, let's say I wanted the background color to be, let's say, a blue color. Let's say I wanted the border radius to be, let's say, 10 pixels. Let's say I wanted the header font color to be white. And the font size to be, say, let's say 24 pixels and to be bold. Let's say I wanted the subheader color to be yellow and the font size to be, let's say, like 18 pixels. And then you can choose to change what the header text is. For example, let's say I wanted it to say sign up. Our newsletter. Then let's say this subheader is, this is a cool newsletter. All right, and then let's leave the email field as it is. You can choose to change the color if you want. Let's see if we want it red. Let's say we wanted it to be bold. The button color, let's say we wanted it to be an orange color. And sorry, let's say put it white and the background to be orange. Let's put those settings in and just click save changes. Then if I go back here and do a refresh, you will notice that the changes are applied. Okay, if I wanted a background image for the form, I can choose one. Let's say I wanted, let me choose like this one, choose image, and then let's set the transparency of the image to, let's say, 20, and then just click save changes. If I do a refresh, you'll notice that it'll set the transparency and the background image is there. Okay, so that's basically it. It's just that simple to set up, both creating a newsletter that's sent out and then also setting up the newsletter sign up form. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out. You can send out an email or just comment in the description section below. All right, bye.